Greetings everyone, JJ here from SchoolOfTrade.com. It's April 29th, 2010. Here's your easy money trade of the day. Now guys, if you're unfamiliar, here's how it works. There's going to be lots of opportunity every day to earn a great income, guys. Whether you want to earn $100 a day or $1,000 a day, whether you want to take one trade or 10 trades, there's going to be lots of easy ways that don't require a lot of work, they don't require a lot of money, and they really don't require a lot of time to learn. Everybody from part-time traders to new traders, experienced traders, big money traders, small-time traders, guys, you can easily use these simple patterns. And of course, as an advanced member, we're going to train you on these very simple patterns and show you how to earn the income you want every single day. Now, today's easy money trade of the day is on the Russell, and this is the wave entry pattern. Okay, so let's talk more about the market first. Okay, it's called the Russell Futures. Okay, they're one of the E-mini. Well, they used to be an E-mini family, right? Now they moved over to the Intercontinental Exchange, and now they're a Russell Mini. So they're a little bit different now than the E-mini family. You have the E-mini NASDAQ, the Dow, and the S&P, and then you've kind of got the stepsister, right? The Russell, which used to be an E-mini, but then it split off, right, from the CME group, and now it's a member of the Intercontinental Exchange. It's called the Mini Russell. All right, symbol is TF. It's $10 per tick. And of course, our brokers offer it at $500 per margin. Now, what that means for you is, I'm going to show you here in this video today of how you can earn $100, $300, $500, even $700 today on this one very simple trade, and of course, using very simple techniques that anybody can learn. Let's take a look first of all, right, at the trade itself. Now, this is a wave pattern. Now, again, a wave pattern, we're going to train you guys, right, very detailed training in the advanced course about what a wave pattern is. Now, wave pattern is real simple. We're going to see a signal fire off, right? The indicator tells us when to get looking for this stuff. Okay, so the indicator fires off in your lower left-hand corner. When the indicator fires off, we're going to see a move up, and then we're going to pull back into what we call our trigger zones. Now, these trigger zones are defined ahead of time for us. And again, this is all done by indicators for us. It's all done automatically for us. And we train you guys how to do this in the advanced course materials. So, of course, you'll wait for a pullback into our trigger zone, and then you'll go long off the trigger line, right, to the upside here. Okay, so it's a relatively simple pattern. And again, it's called a wave pattern, and this was on the Russell today. So as an advanced member, we're going to teach you guys how to use the wave pattern. And today, we'll show you guys how you can make $100, right, pretty easily with this wave pattern. Only takes one trade, right? So rather than sitting here for 7-8 hours watching charts all day long, okay, you don't need to take a million trades, guys. You don't need to have a complicated system. It can be a very simple pattern. And of course, if you want to make $100 per day, right, 10 ticks, that's all you need. Okay, at $10 per tick here in the Russell, we got 10 ticks within the first 5 minutes. Okay, so we got 10 ticks on this trade within the first 5 minutes of being in this trade. Now, if I earn 10 ticks in this move, how can I make my $100 a day? Well, all I need is one contract on now 10 ticks. All I need is $750 USD in the account. So if you want to make $100 today on this pattern, I made 10 ticks. All I needed was one contract. And of course, all I needed was $750 in my account to do so. So not a lot of money, not a lot of time, and not a lot of effort at all to make that $100. Now to make $300 today, you'd still get that same 10 ticks, but now we'll use a 3-contract account. Okay, you'll need a little more money in your account for that. You'll need about $22.50 in your account for that one. Okay, so still not a lot of money here, right? I can invest $22.50 USD. I can trade 3 contracts now, and I can make $300 off this very simple one trade. What about $500? Okay, now let's go to 5 contracts. All I need is $37.50, right? So I'm still less than what most people have in their accounts right now. So for $37.50 USD, I'm trading 5 lots right now, the same 10-tick move, right? I don't need this market to move any more for me, right? We got those 10 ticks within 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, if I have 5 lots in my account, I'm going to make $500. And again, I can keep increasing this, right? You got $5,200 in your account, you can trade with 7 contracts, and you could have made $700 in this trade. So one simple trade pattern, right? Only one trade needed. And you can see here, guys, whether you're trying to make $100 a day or $700 a day, all it took was one trade in about 10 minutes of your time this morning here on the Russell. And look, it was 11:15, which means you could have slept in as well, right? All you West Coast traders like I am, we can sleep in and not worry about getting up so early for this one. All right, guys, but as you can see, it's the wave pattern on the Russell. And guys, if you have any questions about this, let me know. Right? Any questions about this? Want to know more about the pattern? Want to know more about who you can contact as a broker? Okay, want to know more about how you can be earning your $100 a day, your $500 a day, your $1,000 a day? Guys, go to the blog and use the search box. Now, there's a section on the blog right now, and the link is below this video that will enable you to post a question on the blog. So email us questions, post your questions on the blog, guys, and I'll answer those questions for you. But as you guys can see, though, we got lots of opportunity every day to make some great money. Whether you want to make $100 or $700 a day, all we needed was one trade to do it. And we really don't need a lot of time, a lot of learning, and really not a lot of money either. All right, guys, we'll see you guys back here in the room tomorrow. Don't forget, Trader Room is up tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. In that live trade room, we're going to show you these setups live in real time. We're going to walk you through this live in real time. We'll show you what they look like, how to take them, and of course, everything in between. Don't forget, we also have webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 11:30 a.m. So free webinars on all kinds of different topics. And the beginner's course, if you're not ready for the advanced course yet, the beginner's course goes over all the basics of how to participate in our live trade room. For more information about all this stuff, guys, sales@schooloftrade.com. And as always, don't forget, if you have questions, email us, post them on the blog, and we might be covering your question in the next video. Guys, for the Easy Money Trade, my name is Joseph James. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye for now.